Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'm a businessman, and the reason I choose digital marketing for my business because I'm a real estate businessman, and it's really helpful for me to grow my business because in a real estate sector, digital marketing is a very crucial part of the real estate sectors. If I talk about the session, if I talk about the digital marketing courses throughout this 6 months that I just joined for this digital marketing was a mind blowing and over-exhilarating. I just like the way all the faculties or the way all the assistants, managers who just helped me or guided me, and whatever doubt I have, I can able to clear it out immediately. So yeah. So I just come to know about Digital Vidya through my friend. So I was there in Mumbai because I had done 2 years of job in Mumbai in a real estate sector. So he was my room partner. So he did his digital marketing courses through Digital Vidya, and he just recommended me. First of all, when it comes to advertising, I just uses all that I know from the different courses that you just provide. Actually, they just help me or guide me a lot. Any sorts of doubts and each and everything, I just able to clear it out. I just deliver them that this and that is our problem in our real estate sector. Please help me out. They just help me by giving some of the examples or something like that in a very practical way.